Hi, I'm Peter, CTO and co-founder of Diffblue, and I'm going to show you a new feature that improves test data generation in Diffblue Cover. Let's have a look at this class in Apache Tika, which extracts standard references from text. This class has complex, regex-heavy string manipulations to perform this task. Looking at the tests that Cover produced, we see that it tried hard to come up with test input data to cover the different cases in the code. But it doesn't always succeed, and the strings look anything like human-readable standard references. Kava can now be configured to use your approved LLM model to generate better test data. I'm going to kick off Kava to use this feature. So the connection to the LLM is configured in your local Kava properties file. You specify a provider, the model, you need to supply a token. I'm using the public open AI API here, but in your company, you may have to go through a proxy or wrapper, so you can also specify the URL and further connection parameters here. So we see that it has picked up the LLM configuration and it has produced tests. So let's have a look at this. Yeah, we now see that the test inputs have been improved. It now contains actual standard references that exercise more functionality of this class. The advantage of this is that it can benefit from the domain knowledge embedded in the LM to produce suitable test inputs. If your LM is connected to your enterprise internal data sources, then it will also be able to supply proprietary test data that is not available in public LLMs. The way Kava uses LLMs here is a lot faster, more token efficient, and thus cheaper than LLM-based agents that rely on LLMs for the majority of their operations.